Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash and remove my wig. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by using a sock. I'm going to spray it with water. The water is what's going to help dissolve the glue, and that's what's going to make it easy for the wig to lift. So I'm going in a circular motion around my hairline, gently lifting up, and I'm going to do the same thing to my wig cap. Okay, so now that I have the wig removed, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I'm going to fill the sink up with hot water or warm water, whatever your hands can tolerate. Pump some shampoo in there, and the reason why you want to do it on warm or hot water is because it opens up the cuticles and it allows for the product to be released. So now I'm just going to let it soak for a moment. I'm going to grab the wig by the wig cap and I'm just going to dunk it in and out of the water. I'm going to take my other hand and help run it through, and that's just to help, get it wet and help some of the product come out. So when washing your wig, you want to make sure to wash the inside of your wig cap as well as the outside. And also another thing you can do to the inside of your wig cap is take some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and rub it, and that helps get some of the residue off. So after I'm done washing the wig cap, I'm going to turn it inside out and begin washing the roots of the hair. I like to focus mainly on the roots and then kind of use my fingers to distribute the shampoo throughout the rest of the hair. When rinsing shampoo off, again, you want to make sure to use warm to hot water. That way you can get all of the product out and the cuticles open. When it comes to conditioner, I like to focus mainly mid shaft to ends. You don't want to put a lot of conditioner on the roots because it weighs down the hair. So I put a little bit of conditioner on my fingertips and I'll just finger comb it through to detangle the curls and to add a little moisture on top. And make sure to rinse out the conditioner using cold or cold water. It helps lock in moisture. Okay, so now that the hair is air dried overnight, I actually hung it upside down the hanger just to add a little bit more volume. I'm going to go ahead and apply it using my MILAN wig grip cap, and let me give you the details on this hair. So this hair is a 360 frontal wig. It has a MILAN curl. It is 150% density and is in the length 18 inches. The code on the website is TLW24. So now I have my wig on, it's good to go. I, made a couple of adjustments, but make sure you guys check out WowAfrican.com. I actually have a code for you guys. The code is going to be Candy10, which is going to allow you to get 10% off. So make sure you use it. All right, you guys, thanks for coming by. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.